This video is going to discuss key information you should check before trading a market. Hello, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212. Now, in one of our other videos, we looked at 3 tips for novice traders, and one of them was to pick one market and to follow its price moves until you become very familiar with how its price moves. And I think that is really good advice. One other thing that you might add to that to complement it is that before trading a new market, there's certain key pieces of information that you need to get on top of, that you really should familiarize yourself with in order to get a view of the whole picture of what trading that market is going to be like. These are kind of really the nitty gritty. It's not particularly exciting stuff, but you really do need to know it. And it's sort of things like, if I hold a position to the next day, how much is the interest rate swap going to be? If it's a market that expires, what time does it expire at? What hours can I or can't I trade this market? And it's actually really easy to check all this information out. I'm going to show you in a Trading 212's platform how you can very easily see all this information and get it at your fingertips. So let's take a look at the platform now. So here we are inside Trading 212's trading platform, and I'm looking at a chart of the US 30, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. And if we want to know more information about this market, we have this button up here. If I hover over it, it says Instrument Details. If I click on it, then it opens up this panel where we can see all sorts of information about the market in question. And we were talking about swap rates. Well, if we scroll down, then we can see if I hold a short position, the swap rate is going to be around about minus 0.18, and if I hold a long position, it's going to be around about 5.70. And we can also see there the swap time. So this is what time of day that adjustment will be made. And then also at the bottom here, we have those trading hours. So we can see the blue represents when the market is open, and we can see that there is a gap between 9:14 and 9:30, and then it trades again, and then there's another gap between 9:59 and 11 p.m. in the evening, and then the market trades all the way through the night, back around to the following night again. And we can obviously see that it doesn't trade on a Saturday or a Sunday, but that trading does open late on a Sunday night. So some useful information there about when you can and can't trade each market. And obviously that information there is specific to the Dow Jones Industrial Average with Trading 212. And we can also click on, I'm just going to click on another chart here and take a look at oil. So this is another popular market that we often look at, and oil is quite interesting because it is a market that expires. Now, the instrument name, it's very apparent when it expires. The 22nd of October is when this expires. We can see it in the information panel as well. But when exactly does it expire on that day? Well, let's scroll down here, and we can see that the expiry time is 19:30, 7:30 in the evening, London time. And we can also see the trading hours for oil here. So got a little gap each day between 9:59 and 11 p.m. at night. So that's just a quick look at key information that you need to know before trading a new market and how to quickly and easily access that information. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and give us a like. Or if you've got any feedback or any topics that you'd like to see us cover in future videos, why not send us a suggestion or a message in the comments section. We do read through every message that comes in there. Now, as well as these tutorial and educational style videos about trading, we also do analysis of different markets like Euro versus US dollar, gold, crude oil, and the Dow Jones. And the best way to access all that video content is to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to Trading 212's YouTube channel. And we put out new videos on a regular basis. If you hit the alarm bell icon, then you'll get a notification the very next time we upload a new video to YouTube. But that's all for this time from me, Peter Martin, and Trading 212. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.